Yo, hello. It's been a long time. We've been pretty busy, but now we have to unbox some things that we've already bought for how many weeks? I think it's been here for more than a month. Okay, so this is the one that we have right here. The Gerber or the Gerber TANTO, PARAFRAME TANTO knife. It's a folding knife. No? Yeah, that's it. So the original price is 2,090 pesos or around $37.27. But it's been on sale and discounted. I was able to get it at around $1,600 or how much? $28.5 only. So let's open it. Let's open. Let's get the other knife. Let's try to see. It looks like. There you go. Okay, so this is it. Just like that originally. Where do we open it? Right here. So it's a Gerber. It's the same name as the baby food, right? Gerber. So there's some details here. Stainless steel, serrated edge for cutting, folding, frame lock, pocket clip. Okay, pocket clip is like this one, a pen clip. So yeah. So you have the insert for the caution and some documentation. What else do we have? Silica gel, nothing else. Some clip right here. We need to open. Okay. So this is what we have. Yeah. So this is it. It's really nice, although it's a little bit dusty. Let's try to clean it. Oh, the dust. So I really like the frame. It's just like a skeletal frame. This looks really good. Let's try to open it. Oh. There you go. It has the same locking mechanism as the cheap ones, like this one. See? So to be able to close it, you have to push this down and then hold it back. Okay, so it's a little bit hard or difficult to open it with one hand because of the mechanism here that pushes it down. I'm not going to adjust it anyway. Okay, so I think that's it. This one is really helpful if you're trying to cut something. You have to be very careful because this can injure you really quick. Okay. It's really sharp. So let's try. Sharp. but this board is really thick as well, so if you want to slice through, you can use the serrated edge like that. See, still there's a fine line over here, fine cut. Okay, let's try it with piece of paper, 70 GSM. What I do is I don't slice it like this at first. I do it like this. It's really sharp. Let's see if I hold it there. Sharp. Okay, so I think that's it. I like this one. I plan to collect some pocket knives in the future. More pocket knives, the better ones, the more expensive ones. I'm trying to collect those. The first two that I bought, the bigger ones, this one. This one. These are the cheap ones. These are the really cheap ones, but they're really good. Yeah, so I'm planning also to buy some expensive ones. That I can add to my collection. Okay, so thank you very much. If you're still here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the other videos. You can check it out in my channel. Thank you very much.